Hi, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to speak about a predictable web platform. So we are going to speak about message banking, how to manage your phrase bank in Predictable, also how to import pre-built phrases to your account, and how to import content from mymessagebanking.com. So first of all, managing your phrase bank. First of all, message banking in Predictable. So message banking is the process of recording words or phrases that you will use a lot and that you can assign to pre-built phrases in Predictable. So as you probably know, Predictable offers a phrase bank in which you can save already made phrases so that you don't have to type them all every time that you want to speak them. So how to bank messages from the app. So let's start by the easiest. So in other words, how to add a new phrases to your phrase bank. So let me show you my iPad screen right here. So I'm now connected to my Predictable account. You can also save phrases when you use the guest mode, by the way. At the moment, I'm using my Predictable account. Here you have a button that leads to the phrase bank. So if I select this button, I now have access to my categories that I can scroll like this, or that I can scroll, by using these navigation arrows. And so in each of these categories, I have already made phrases. So my account is brandly new, so I only have all the default phrases that you will find when you download Predictable for the first time. So from here, I can add new phrases. So to do so, I can select this edit button here on the right corner of the right side of my screen. And I can create a new category or new phrases. So let's create a new phrase here. Let's type a spoken phrase. Hi, everyone. To be displayed as hi, everyone. And then as you can see, we have three buttons here. You can attach a sound to it. So you can either choose from the default sounds that we offer in Predictable, but you can also record your own. So bank a message by selecting this new recording button. So if I select it, I can now record my own voice to attach it to my new phrase. So let's do it. Hi everyone. I stop it. And I'm going to name my recording. Hi everyone. I can play it to listen to it. And I can save it by using this save button in the top right corner of the screen. I can also attach an icon to it. So in that case, I'm going to use this one. Then I'm selecting the back button on the top left corner of the screen. And finally, I can attach a multimedia link, which will be played just after. It's not really relevant, but if I select a multimedia like this, it will be played just after my phrase. I'm not going to attach one. I'm going to select the back arrow in the top left corner of the screen. And so I now have my new phrase with the spoken phrase, hi everyone, my display phrase, hi everyone, a sound attached to it of my own voice, so a message, a banked message. and an icon. Then I can select the Save button in the top right corner of the screen. And you can see my new phrase right here. So this is how to bank a new message from the app directly. Then let's go back to the presentation. So now how to manage the phrase bank that we just saw from Predictable Web Platform. What you can do from this new web platform is you can bank messages directly from your laptop, which will then be displayed in your Predictable app. You can also manage your icons and audio files to attach to your phrases. And you can also share categories and phrases with other Predictable accounts. So if I go, no, I need to exit here. If I go to TherapyBox website, I now have a sign in button in the top right corner of the screen. And from this button, I can connect to Predictable Web Platform by using my Predictable user account login details. So let's log in. It's loading. And so from this main section, so phrase bank section, this is all the phrases and categories that I have in my Predictable account. So let's see if I have my new category, my new phrases that I just created from the app. If I select favorite, it expands and displays the different phrases that I have banked in this category. And I can see that the phrase that I just added from the app, hi everyone, is now displayed with an audio file attached to it. So this is my phrase bank view. From this screen, I can add a new category. For example, emergency. I can attach an icon to it. And then I can create a phrase within it. I need some help with the display phrase help. I'm just clicking on these text entries to edit the text. Then I can add an image by selecting the add button. So the image can be either selected from my laptop or from Predictable library. I need some help. I'm going to attach this icon. And I can also attach an audio file. So again, I can either attach an audio file from my device, or I can attach an audio file from Predictable library. As we saw previously in the app, I only have the default sounds at the moment and the hi everyone that I recorded from the app. So I'm not going to attach a sound to it because I don't have a relevant sound. I'm going to select to add another phrase. I need some water. Water, image. There should be some here, up. And finally, I am cold. Cold. So just a quick category and phrases. So this is my emergency category, and let's say my father is a Predictable user, and I want him to have this category as well on his account. I can select this category and all the phrases that it contains. and download it in a zip file, as you can see here. So I download it, and then I can send him this zip file via email, for instance. Or I can also log out from my account and log back in, sorry for that, log into his account if I have his predictable details. So now I'm going to show you how to import a predictable category with its phrases. So first of all, I'm going to delete the one that I just created from my account. And from draft phrases, I'm going to import it, this zip file that I just downloaded. So it's PA Gabriel, open. And now I can see these three phrases that I created previously from Phrasebank. I can see them here. So if I want, for example, I need some water to be added to a new category. What category? For example, food and drink, which is an existing category on my account. I can do that. Then I need some help to be added to my favorites category as well. And so now, these two phrases, as they have two tags or two categories attached, they will be duplicated and sent to the relevant categories. So now what I need to do, I'm still in draft phrases, I can do some last minute edits. So I need some water, please. Help. And that's it. So I can do some last minute edits, and then I can select all these phrases. You just need to make sure you have a category attached. For example, if I delete this category, you can see that I won't be able to merge it because the category is missing. So I'm going to re-add the emergency category. And now this phrase is ready to be merged. So I select, and then I select merge selected, and I confirm. So these three phrases has been merged to my predictable account. So let's see from the app if we can see it. So as you remember, the help phrase has been added to favorites as well. So it's now here. Let's see if there is the emergency category. So I'm scrolling, emergency right here. So I have help, water, and cold. Now, something else that you can do from the web platform is that you can manage your audio files and your images. So if you go to audio, you can see all the default audios that we have here. And you can see my my own audios that I recorded. So Hi Everyone has been recorded from the app previously. So from here, I can either record a new audio by using this record button, but I can also import an audio from my laptop, and I can delete some of them as well. So this statue in use, so it will be in use if it's attached to a phrase. So we know that as we created Hi Everyone phrase, with this audio file attached, it's the statue is in use. Then if I go to images, I have access to all the, I can see all the default images. As you can see, there is no checkbox here because I can't edit them. So I can't rename them or I can't delete them because they are the default ones. But if I add a new image, for example, this Chatable Suomi logo, if I add it to this section, I can then change the display name. Chatable Suomi logo. I can see the source, it's been imported from my computer, the date of import, and a preview of the image. And it's not in use because I haven't attached it to any of my phrases. What I can do is I can select it because it's not a default one and delete it because I won't need it for any of my phrases. So this is how to manage your phrase bank, your audio file and images from the web platform. So now importing phrases from mymessagebanking.com. So mymessagebanking is a joint project between Boston Children's Hospital and Tobii Dynavox, and it provides a space where you can upload audio files, and it also transcripts these audio files. For example, if I added my phrase "Hi everyone" as an audio file, the service will automatically attach a text to this audio file. So it's a free service that you can and so you just need to create a free account, as I'm going to do it now to show you. So my message banking. So I already created my account, so I'm just going to log in. And I'm going to delete everything. Just to show you from scratch. Okay, so now I'm going to upload some audio files. So I have a list of audio files that I have here. I'm going to select them and upload them. So transcribe to English, United Kingdom. And now I'm starting the upload and transcription. So if I press view my messages, I can see that all of my audio files has been uploaded. I can now add some text. Good to see you. Thanks. Can I have a glass of water, please? So yeah, let's just take these three. And then I can attach a tag. The tag will become my predictable category. So good to see you. I'm going to attach favorite. Thanks. Same. Favorite. Can I have a glass of water, please? Food and drinks. How is it called? Food and drink. Yep. Okay, so I now have 3 phrases that come from my message banking. I'm going to select them and to download them. Download. And so this will download, as you can see, a zip file as well. And so same process as before. I'm going to go to draft phrases, and I'm going to import the phrases that I just downloaded from my message banking. So the file is called banked messages, and it's this one today. Open. And I now have my 3 phrases that come from my message banking account. So I can select them. I can also make some arrangement. So I can also add it to favorites. I can select them and merge them to my predictable account. Oh, I have some duplicates. Some of the phrases already exist in your phrase bank under the same category. So I can only confirm the ones that are not duplicated. I did this process yesterday, so this might be why. Thanks, good to see you. I think this one already exists. Anyway, so this is how you can add phrases and categories from my message banking to your predictable account. And I think this closes my presentation. So thank you very much, everyone, for attending. If you have any questions, just don't hesitate to write us. So the email address is the support address that you can find on our website.